Hi, my name is Chad.
And my name is Adam, and welcome to the Okanagan Combat Guild's video series on Joachim Meyer's 1570, The Art of Combat. Now, for those of you who are new to the HEMA world, here's a little bit about who we are and what we do.
I've been a student with the OCG for 2 years, and what our group practices is historical European martial arts. In short, we learn to fight with swords and other historical weapons from historical texts. There's no dress up, there's nothing made up. This is a true historical martial art, practiced and performed as it was back then.
I'm the instructor for the Okanagan Combat Guild. I've been training for 5 years, and at the beginning of 2017, I was handed the mantle of running the school, because my instructor moved away. So I decided we were going to study one manual, and that is The Art of Combat, written by Joachim Meyer. By studying just one manual, I believe it's easier to build a curriculum, and it's more consistent and effective.
As a school, we have decided to undertake a monumental task. We are converting Meyer's manual into video format, complete with visuals for all techniques and devices. Many hours of studying, practicing, and applying these techniques ensure that they are of quality and are useful.
There is a lot of trial and error, and like any other group, our interpretations will probably change a bit over time. But what we're hoping to provide is a strong basis for inexperienced people and a great reference for the experienced.
And to provide some extra context, the type of combat we are recreating is not armored combat.
Meyer's book pertains to Blossfechten, or bear fighting, where no significant amount of armor is used and your whole body is vulnerable.
We will break down Meyer's book starting with the longsword, chapter by chapter. Nothing he says will go uncovered. This includes any concepts and techniques he provides.
And all of this will be provided through the help of my company, Maidenheart Productions. I'm a graduated film student, so my goal is to provide high-quality content all around. That even includes hiring a German voiceover artist to pronounce the German words properly.
Vielen Dank für die Einladung.
So give our channel a subscribe and look forward to our series.
Tschüss.